Good morning, guys. Welcome to the next video where I travel to my hometown. I have all the things ready. I just gotta pack this tripod up and I have this bag packed up already. I'll be leaving for home. Actually raining, so I'm just waiting for the rain to, get a little slow so that I can get going. And yeah, guys, see you at back home. Yo, what's up, guys? I am finally back home. So, long story short, I had to wait for 4 more hours. It was to a point that it was drizzling a little, like really small droplets. So I went ahead and I thought, just why don't I just go ahead, and I was that's only because I was able to see the sunlight. So I was like in hopes that the sun would specifically shine and the rain would stop, but that didn't happen. You know,
Such an unlucky piece of shit. So what happened is I go on the road and it's 15 minutes into the drive and the rain starts dropping really heavily and I'm soaked. I'm actually wet, which is practically not possible, but logically or maybe literally that's how I was. My entire clothes were wet.
The entire wait, let me just show you. Look at that. So those are the clothes that are specifically wet entirely. I was entirely wet, and then I had to wait under a bridge and waited for the rain to go a little slow, and then I went ahead and continued the journey. So fun fact that I am awake from yesterday afternoon at 12 p.m. So I'm pretty freaking exhausted. I'm gonna be going ahead and having some rest, having some food, and then I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Just a test video, guys. Just wanted to see how close I can bring my phone to my face and to be able to film in a normal environment, and it looks more natural, so I don't have to hold my phone like this because that is just way too far, and my arm would also be shaking and my phone would be shaking because of my arm getting tired. So I'm just trying to see if this angle would be nice, and just want to be going in and making sure that all the background is also in focus. And I have a really bad habit of not looking into the camera. That's what I want to be focusing on. Good morning, guys. Excuse my hair because it's really freaking messy because I just woke up and breakfast is getting ready. We're gonna be having some parathas with sabji. I don't know I have no idea what sabji it is, but let's hope for the best. And I already brushed my teeth. Now I'm about to go ahead and get my beard groomed. Just because of these some strands, I'm not even sure if you guys can see, but these strands are making it look really messy. Actually, it was pretty cold last night, even indoors. But when I just come out in the sun, it's really freaking hot. That's how messed up the temperature is here. I have the dentist appointment maybe tomorrow morning or maybe today evening. So let's see when I'll be able to make it. And yeah, as soon as possible, I'll be able to get this done so that I can eat properly. I'm still having to struggle with eating, so that's a challenge. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I also have a friend that goes to the gym here, so I'm just gonna ask him if they'll allow me to hit a workout or get a workout session in so that I can film the entire workout as well. So yeah, guys, see you guys after the grooming part, or maybe I'll just take you guys through the grooming session. But lying here is sick. Look at this. Just because it's a window door. So yeah. Alright, guys, let's get this done. And I guess with that we are done. However, I just need to get it another set because I believe I have missed some places. Looks pretty nice. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Looking sweet. And now let's get into having some breakfast. Now in breakfast we'll be having multiple things. I don't know what this is. This is dal, this is salad, and we have paranta, which I will be having only one for now because of the toothache. But once I'm done with the tooth thing, then I'll be able to eat like a dog. So yeah, let's have some breakfast and see you guys in a bit. Today I was actually thinking about something that when I'm at work, I always feel like I'm not getting leaves, and even if I get leaves, I have nowhere to go and nothing fun to do. And today I realized that's all just a fucked up shit made up in my mind. Because now that I have leaves, like a lot of leaves, I have like 5 leaves, and I realized that I don't have shit to do, bro. I mean, I have to plan some shit out. I did have a plan to meet one of my friends right here in Ludhiana because we could have gone ahead and had a really good gym session, but I was pretty freaking lazy, and now I don't feel like doing anything. So I'm like, why the fuck do I need to do this? Hopefully this microphone is on because of the sun reflection. It seemed like it was turned off. So the thing is that you have to go ahead and make plan for things that you really want to do, because if you keep complaining and whenever you get time you won't be able to make that shit happen. So it's better to just go with the flow and just directly go ahead and give the things a shot that you actually want to try. This is just a really relaxing fun vlog, so hopefully you enjoyed this, even though this vlog isn't over yet. About to go ahead and have banana shake. Let me show you guys. So it's been 2 hours since I had my first meal, and now I'm having the second food kind of thing, like Whole Foods. So I have another glass to finish. I'll go ahead and do that, and yeah, guys, see you guys in the next clip or whenever I decide to start filming again. Isn't this awesome that you have a window just in your room so that you can just peek outside what the fuck is even happening? Look at this. Isn't it nice? You have this amazing view and you can open this, I guess. But I guess the reason why we don't open this is because lizards are coming inside and it's gonna ruin this entire place, just like it did right there. You see how fucking dirty it got? So it's best that we do not do any of that shit. However, well, I actually didn't have anything to do, so I was actually thinking of reading a book which is about money. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Housel. Yeah, I believe that's how it should be pronounced as. International bestseller. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this book a read, and then we're gonna be seeing what else can we do interesting so that we don't have any of that fucked up shit. That's how you get this amazing view. And these are not mine, these are my sister's, but these wouldn't look bad on me, of course. Should I try? Oh fuck, it has like spiders dead in it, so let's see what's happening outside. This lighting is pretty freaking awesome, guys. And we have all these plants here. I believe I've already shown you guys this. Because of this, it looks pretty nice. And that's what you get to see. And look at that. One of my sisters is playing right there. Let's go in. And I'm going to show you guys what my mother is actually doing. She is actually She has this thing about, you know, not coming in front of the camera in the video, so I want to make sure that I put this in. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. About to go ahead and read this book. Peace. Guys, this is what fucking happens when you just try doing some amazing shit. So that was me trying the planche. My freaking shoulder got imbalanced and I was about to smash my face on the floor, which I actually didn't want. So let's see if I'll be able to get that done again. Let's try this shit again, guys. I'm really fucking hyped. I guess this part is pretty slippery. That's the reason I'm not able to get this done, but shit. God. It's basically like, you know, the entire freaking blood flow gets trapped in your entire temper, and that's when you fucking lose your shit. And I guess you gotta keep trying to get better at something. God. Alright guys, we are about to have some chicken soup after that quick workout. So after this I'm gonna be having some dinner in about half an hour to 1 hour. And with that guys, we are done with this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Peace out.